Hello and welcome to Nick's Allotment Diary. It's the end of July now and it's about time I harvested my onions. You can see that the onion foliage is starting to die back. Some of them are starting to flop over. The onions are a decent size now, as big as I'd want them anyway. So today I'm going to harvest them. There's two varieties of onions. These ones are the red Isabel Rose onion. Just looking for signs of white rot. That one seems okay. It has been quite rainy recently. We're just now having a dry spell. So I thought it was best to get these onions up before the rains come back again. Nice decent sized onion. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these in a basket, take them home and dry them in a greenhouse for a couple of weeks. And what you should do is let the green part of the onion die back, and then these should store for a few months. I'll now get on and harvest the rest of the onions. There we go, nice basket of onions, mixture of the Isabel Rose red onion and the Ailsa Craig, the white onion. Some of them are a nice decent size. There were a couple that were showing signs of white rot. Here's an example, if you haven't seen white rot before. I did have that issue on my garlic in another bed. It is a white woolly sort of rot that occurs at the base of the onion, and what happens is that onion won't be able to be stored. It'll be spoilt because it will carry on rotting through the onion. What you can do is cut off the affected base part and use the rest of the onion straight away. So I'll probably do that with this one because it is a decent looking onion. But luckily not many of my onions were affected. I'm also today going to be harvesting my shallots. They're ready now. A few groups of them amongst the weeds. They're a variety called Red Sun, and most of the shallots I've split up to form clumps of about 6 or 7 individual bulbs. So I'll harvest those today and let those dry out with the onions in the greenhouse. So just use a fork to get underneath them. Give them a little bit of a shake to release the group. Let's see, in this one there's 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 in this group. So that's a good one. This one's a smaller group. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm getting more than I thought actually. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. So plenty of shallots for drying. There we go. A nice basket of shallots. I'm pretty pleased with these. They were grown from sets rather than from seed, but they have produced a decent crop, and I only had 1 row of them. I maybe planted about 10 individual bulbs, and I've got a nice basket full as a reward. Thanks very much for joining me at Nick's Allotment. I'll see you again next time.